Now, you've probably heard about food combining in different diet programs and books. Well, there's one combination that you definitely want to avoid, and that is a combination of protein plus sugar or refined carbohydrates, or fat plus sugar or refined carbohydrates. Because when you combine these two things, especially when you heat them up, you develop something called AGEs. Okay, what are AGEs? Advanced glycation end products. This is the thing that plugs up the circulation in the back of the eye that causes macular degeneration. This is also involved in brain chemistry that stops the neurons from communicating in Alzheimer's and even Parkinson's. It's the compound that is in the beta cells of the pancreas that's involved in diabetes. So these two combinations are very, very bad. Now, how would this relate to your foods? Well, let's say, for example, you consumed barbecued ribs, right? And also when you heat fat and sugar, let's see, what would be that combination? Well, you have ice cream, anything deep fried, so you have this fat with the carbohydrate, and of course the wheat probably has gluten in it, which is a protein. So when you cook these two together, you create more of these right here. So all these complications of diabetes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's involve these right here. Creates massive oxidation. So you can think about oxidation as rusting out the inside of your body, the arteries, the eye, the kidney. It is the thing that makes you get old really quick. Because if you think about what it does to your proteins, it makes them very sticky and brittle and stiff. And it's behind the high blood pressure as well. Okay, so what do we do to counter that? Well, how about this? Avoid the sugar. That would be a new concept. Number two, aged garlic is way more powerful than fresh garlic as an anti-glycation substance. So it actually reduces the AGEs. Carnosine. This is a combination of 2 amino acids that's really good to prevent cataracts. Of course, you're going to have to avoid this as well. But if you're starting to have cataracts and you get on the ketogenic plan and you take some of this, that would be a smart thing. And also benfotiamine. I've talked about this a lot in other videos, is really beneficial to help counter the AGEs in diabetes, especially if you have peripheral neuropathy or problems with your vision because it helps the retina. And if you don't have these chronic problems and you want to live long, get on a ketogenic diet by avoiding the sugar so we can avoid these right here. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.